Well, see, I preach all the time. Compost. Compost, compost, compost. Look at this. See that? All right. As my garden bears out, I pile the cut grass and compost in there. And then I just leave it alone. This grass here will pop up in there. But when I start to plant again, cardboard, more compost, and the grass is dead for another 6 months or a year. Now here's a surprise. My little watermelon bush. I noticed when I was piling on my compost that the little bitty bush was still kind of green. We had harvested 2 watermelons off of it. So I just left it alone. And come back from Hawaii. It was gone 2 or 3 or 4 weeks before I ever checked my garden. And look what I found. A beautiful little watermelon. So people, just keep adding the compost, and the rain takes care of it, and you'll wind up with some beautiful little stuff, unexpected bonuses. And look under here. I've got another one coming on. But like I said, people, you don't see me cutting grass in my garden beds, pulling grass, and on my knees. When I get ready to plant this, a layer of cardboard, soak it, more compost. I cut a hole through the cardboard, stick my little plants in there, and they'll take off. And it'll be a year before you start seeing the grass going down. See here? In that watermelon. The grass is just now starting to get through the cardboard and compost and coming up. But my crop was way ahead of it.